Nandi and Solom's moving with Rebecca, unaware that Rebecca wants to deal with her. Nolita learns that Chuma did not sleep with Siyamthanda. Chuma says he wants to fix things, doesn't want to start over with someone else. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. Siyamthanda apologized to Nolita, but Nolita was all fighting. Chuma had to separate them when we are kulana. Lengane exolisa la when busy fighting. Nolita saying ukuthi uyamdelela, why did she come to her shop? Athi uzoxoxolisa lo muntu. Take my phone and read our chat. You'll see ukuthi nothing happened. Nolita reads the chats and realizes ukuthi how so you never slept with her. I've been trying to tell you but you never listened. And me now I don't want to start over with someone else. Ngifuna wena. I know I've messed up and I know I've done a lot of things to hurt you, but you've always been there with me. I know it won't be easy, but I want us to fix things and work on us. But how can we do that while we are still lying to me and hiding things from me? You're always out, coming back in the wee hours of the morning. How am I supposed to trust you? I know that I've never given you a reason to trust me, but here's what I'm doing when I'm out. I'm busy stealing amakhofeni kaSolomzi. I'm back to crime. Nolita, now she knows. And then Unandi is against this thing of Rebecca wanting them to move in with her, saying Rebecca. Solomzi convinces her and they must do it for the baby, and they end up going there. And to my surprise, Rebecca has even moved out of her bedroom, saying that they must take a bedroom and sleep there so they can all feed because it's big enough. Yeah, now Solomzi, Nonandi, baby Kaya. Atunand, are you crazy? How can I sleep in a room where I was kidnapped, where I even gave birth and you gave me a dead baby? Actually, Solomzi, we can sleep in my room. I don't even want to go upstairs. Ngizohlala lounge. Ngizolala lounge mina. Solomzi said it's fine, just get me a sponge, nami ngizoba join a lounge. And then Rebecca is happy with they're here. Actually, Rebecca don't understand what's why you're still dwelling in the past. This whole house is like a prison to me. I don't want to be here. Solomzi, I know you don't want to be here, but let's just do it for the baby. Hi, Rebecca, because finally she got what she wanted. Unandi is finally here. Unandi visits Mamsonto telling her they are now staying with Rebecca. Mamsonto is shocked with how Rebecca, why would you take umntana back to the lion's den? I have no choice, mom. And then Unkunzi uyabuza ukuthi how Sikabareza, what Unandi wamletha la, what's going on? Do you really care about them? I only care about umzukulu wami. But Unandi and I still want to deal with her. I haven't forgotten what she has done. So this was her strategy all along, to deal with Nandi, but then she had to have her close to her. And then Mamsonto tries to realize ugesi awukho. Kanti it was supposed to be uThenjiwe buying the electricity. Tries phoning her uThenjiwe, say, now I'm buying electricity for where I live. Angwazi ungithengela ugesi. So now she sees importance kaThenjiwe with masengekho. When she's around, she treats her like she does nothing ending. Kanti uThenjiwe nezamkhalela le umngane wakho Nelly wakes up in the middle of the night and pray to pictures of dead people ogogo wakhe obanzi. uThenjiwe is now uncomfortable, saying the things that are going on, I think you must just forget about them because they make me so uncomfortable and they must never happen again. Solomzi tells uNkanyiso ukuthi I feel bad for making you work ngeyidumbu. If you want the salesperson position, you can still get it. Athi uNkanyiso hayi ngi-right mina la mfana ngisawudingi lowo. Kanti it's because now so push umshikashika wakhe of taking my gold tooth from the dead bodies and selling them. Martha sees this and is like, wena, fantu bereka ka ditupu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.